alcohols, phenols and ethers. PYQs, NEET questions we are going to discuss. The part 1 already we discussed question number up to 9. Now, number of isomeric alcohols of molecular formula C6H14O which gives positive iodoform test. See, first of all you have to know that iodoform test, which molecules are giving. So, for iodoform test, the molecule should be contain one methyl group adjacent of this hydroxyl or C double bond O group. Okay, so these two types of compounds are giving iodoform test. But now the question is regarding alcohols. So methyl alcohols means 2-hydroxy alkanes are giving iodoform test. So you can see here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexane 2-ols. The name is hexane 2-ol. Just you cut this E, hexane 2-ol. So this all 2-ols are giving iodoform test. I can write this is the number 1 structure. Number 2 here pentane structural isomers. Pentane I am writing 5 membered ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4 methyl pentane 2-ol. Then again I can reduce the chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, branch. These two are chain isomers. Sorry, positional isomers. Positional. The methyl position is different. Remaining functional group is same. The first two are chain isomers. Chain is different. Right? Now again I can write one more structure. See, long chain is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain. Here 5 carbon chain, here 4 carbon chain. Now 3, 3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. 3, 3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. In all 4 compounds 2-ol is compulsory. So these 4 isomers are there which are giving iodoform test. Only isomers means so many are exist. 1-ol also exist, but iodoform giving by only 2-ols. So total 4 is answer. 4. B is the answer. Next. Question number 11. In the following sequence of reaction, methyl bromide KCN. Here KCN and AgCN is a very well known reactions. Here KCN में K plus Cn minus is there. So this Cn minus will attack here. So it is forming methyl cyanide CH3CN. Methyl cyanide is forming. Then hydrolysis. This cyanide by the hydrolysis produce carboxylic acids CH3 C double bond OH, carboxylic acid. Then lithium aluminum hydride, that means reduction. So B is the carboxylic acid, C is the reduction. So what it gives? CH3 CH2OH, alcohols. Lithium aluminum hydride reduce up to alcohols. It is a strong reducing agent. Almost all oxygen containing functional groups reduce to alcohols. So now ethyl alcohol is answer. Ethyl alcohol. So D is the answer. Next, question number 12. Which of the following compound can be used as antifreeze in automobile radiators? It is a direct question. Alcohol chapter. It's a, you can see here glycol. The structure is CH2OH, CH2OH. 1 comma 2 ethane 1 comma 2 diol. Ethane 1 comma 2 diol is a direct question, NCERT book. Next action. H plus heat, A major product, B is minor product. See, in the presence of acidic medium by heat means elimination reaction takes place. Elimination, that means water molecule is removing, but two possibilities are there here. This A, this side here hydrogen is there, B side, so water molecule can remove from this also, and this H2O also. So two products you can write it here, CH3 double bond CH3 is the one product, the other one is CH3 hydrogen as it is, CH double bond CH2. Now according to Sedgwick rule, more substituted alkene is more stable. So which is more stable here? Obviously this is the more stable, that means major product. So this one is A, major product, this is the minor. Now the major product reaction with HBr, H plus Br minus. So according to Markovnikov rule, the negative particle is attacking where less number of hydrogens. So your product is CH3 see where that bromine is going here, tertiary carbon, bromine, hydrogen is coming here. So this is the final answer. C. What you have to calculate, A and C. Here major product, of course C is the major product. Minor product is bromine is attacking on the second carbon, this carbon. So now your answer is A and C. A is the 1 2 3 4 2 methyl butene, butene 2 methyl. The other one is 2 bromo 2 methyl butane. See the options. So A is wrong option. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ब्यूटूइन होना चाहिए, ठीक है. बी में 2 मिथाइल टू ब्यूटूइन, yes, B is the answer, right? What is the difference? See here, it is not forming. Here it's fine, but this is the wrong here. Now question number 14. Read the question. Now question number 14. Given are cyclohexanol, acetic acid, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, this is also known as picric acid, and phenol. In the order of decreasing acidic strength. See, first you write the structure, cyclohexanol. This is the cyclohexanol, acetic acid, the carboxylic acid functional group, then 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, then phenol. See here, cyclohexanol is the just alcohol. Alcohols are basic in nature, so one is least. Then means B we can cut it. Carboxylic acid and picric acid, these are higher. Then phenol, second level में phenol, that means 4 means this one also we can cut it. Okay, second level 4. Now you have to decide acetic acid and picric acid, दोनों में which is more stronger acid. Okay, here due to minus mesomeric effect, 3 minus mesomeric effect groups are there. Okay, it is more than acetic acid. This acidic strength is more than acetic acid. So which one is acetic acid? Nitrophenol. Third is higher. Third is higher than the second. So A is your answer. Picric acid is higher acidic strength than acetic acid. Next, reason is here minus mesomeric groups are there, 3 minus mesomeric groups. That is the main reason. Next, which of the following compound has the most acidic nature? Again, similar question. Always in every exam, every year, you can observe that in basic strength and acidic strength, compulsory one question will be there. Which of the following compound has the most acidic in nature? See if this is the alcohols, or it is also alcohol, it is also alcohol, it is a phenol. See, carboxylic acids generally higher acidic than the phenol, then alcohols. This is a common trend, alcohols. So obviously it is a phenol, so phenols are higher, so B is the answer. Among the following 4 compounds, obviously again it is a acidic strength only. Phenol, methyl phenol, write the structures. Phenol, methyl phenol, metanitrophenol, paranitrophenol. See, metanitro it's not working, only minus inductive काम करते हैं, इधर minus mesomeric effect. ये दोनों में fourth is higher than the third. Methyl phenol and phenol. So this methyl is plus inductive group. So Ka is directly proportional to minus I and minus M. Ka is inversely proportional to plus I and plus M. So phenol and methyl phenol में phenol is something better. So highest होगा 4, then 3, then 1, then 2. 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 3, 1, 2. That means A is the option. Yes. Next, read the question number